Welcome to the Mellow Crypto channel. I'm the Mellow back to share my adventures in crypto with you. Be aware this is not financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. Also, it's cold in these crypto streets. So always do your own research. Invest no more than what you are willing to lose. Protect your things and make sure you are taking some profits along the way. Given another installment of my LIBERA Angels NFT journey, I do have a link in the description area below if you want to check that out. This project is a passive income play that offers a percentage reward daily. On the website, it says it's about 1.5% or approximate. There's been some updates to that in their Telegram and Discord groups to 1%, but as you can see, or will see, in my experience, it's even less than that. So just keep that in mind if you are researching this as a project. So let's get into where I am and what's going on with my NFTs. So I have 16 NFTs total. I've been in this project almost 90 days. And I have, or approximately 90 days. I don't know exactly if it's 90 days just yet, but we're getting real close. But I have 2,706.766 in LIBERA BUSD LP that I've claimed from these NFTs. And that equates to a total of $2,369.88. Now I've done my claim for today, and I have a couple of other claims in here as well. But my total so far in my wallet is 192.585 LIBERA BUSD LP, which equates to about $168.61. And I want to say about $24 of that is from another project. So my return from my NFTs is up about $124 or so since my last video. So I want to get into where I'm tracking. And here's my chart here. So here's the trend. So the trend is continuing to go down. So I am, like I said before in previous videos, I don't anticipate this trend going up anytime soon. So I looking at some alternatives to accelerate my capture of my initial investment. Now I do have the option to go and sell those NFTs on the open market, but I may do that, but I want to attempt to get what I can out of these NFTs while I own them and look at accelerating that. So, we'll see how things go. But as it stands right now, I have not been as successful. So the last 7 days with these NFTs, I have been averaging 0.56%. And that kind of, goes back to the comment that I made in my opening. This thing is not producing at the rate that was expected. Now they did, I got to give them a pass. They said approximate, so, okay, there it is. It's approximate, but not performing in the way that is expected. But my total rewards, and I'm tracking this based on one NFT to make it a little easier for these videos, is 201.309 LIBERA BUSD, which gets me to about 67% in my return. And again, I've been in this for about 88 days, so getting close to 90. But in 88 days, I've been able to recover this amount. So I would have to assume within 45 days, maybe 60 days, I will be made whole. But I really want to do that a little bit faster and get into straight profit. So what I was doing, starting out in April 27th, I was DCAing every day into Seifu in preparation for Seifu Go, which attempted a launch on yesterday. Now the price of Seifu, did very well actually in the days coming up to the Seifu Go launch, and Seifu did get as high as $2. Now when it did that, what I put in from my rewards would have put me in profit at about $97. So I would have been, after taxes, buy and sell tax, would have put me at about $97 in profit had I sold just the Seifu outright at that time. But I wanted to put my Seifu into Esgo. Well, I didn't get any Esgo, so not at all. I was as prepared as I thought I could be, but things just didn't work out for me. So, I went into BogSwap, and BogSwap wasn't having it. And, I tried several times and then decided to try PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap wasn't working for me. Then I thought, well, maybe I'll go ahead and do PooCoin. And by that time, though, I kind of halted because there were so many purchases that had already been made at that time that I think I would have gotten maybe just a sliver of a ESCO, if that. So I decided, hey, I'm just going to wait and see what happens on BNB day. Well, you know, that's not going to occur. So if you have been keeping up with what happened with ESCO, there were some challenges, and they're going to do a reset and relaunch, or do a relaunch of ESCO in about a couple of weeks time. So we're going to see how that goes. I don't know if I'm going to participate in that one. I may just go the Seifu route and do arbitrage after the fact. So I haven't figured out what my next steps are there, but I am still committed to doing what I can to accelerate my earnings on these NFTs, given that the reward rate is just not what I would like for it to be. So that's really it that I have for this video, folks. I appreciate you guys' eyes and ears, and you ladies, for those that are out there, and appreciate if you like this content, you know, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And until next time, Mellafella is out.